They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but I say a healthy breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Sometimes when you wake up, you just grab anything and start to eat because you are so hungry. But I think it's so important to plan your breakfast ahead of time so that you get up after a restful night's sleep and you are putting something really healthy and delicious in your body so that you can be full of energy and motivated all day long. Do you know that whatever you put into your body, it's the fuel that you give it? So each morning, I try to make a very healthy breakfast after my morning exercise so that I'll have enough fuel to take me all through the day. This recipe was made using very simple healthy ingredients. Almonds I was pureed in my blender, pineapple, eggs, and pancake mix. And on the side, some delicious pear. Don't forget your fruits. Now that we have our breakfast, we can now start our day. We are going to go to the library. So see you there. We love going to the library. It's a trip we take at least once or twice a week. We live in a very small town, and our library is a very tiny but very cozy indeed. For us to be able to use this library, we have to pay a fee, but we don't mind because it's right down the street about 7 minutes from our house, so it's so convenient. The public library is free to use, but it's very far away from us. Even though they have a large collection of books to choose from, we prefer to go to our very small library. So today we are collecting books and they have a program that the kids are going to attend. And while the kids are attending their program, I love to browse the shelf. That section where I am at, as you can see me, is this is the only area that they have for adult books and stuff like that. So this is my favorite place, especially to find books about gardening and all of my hobbies. They're just in this one aisle here. So I spend a lot of time there going through the books that I have not read yet. And if there's anything I want, I can make an order through the librarian. She's really good at that, and she brings in all kind of books for me. So that's why it's so worth it for us to pay a small yearly fee. And once I find my book, I just find a nice spot in the library and sit and read my book. And of course, I take out some of the books that I want to take home with me. And my husband is also at the library with us today. So he is in another section of the library, happily reading his magazine. So the library is a place that we go all the time to have a really fun family activity, especially when they have programs there.